Okay, so I'm now on my third video of today, and the GoPro battery is at 42%. I had to move my head so I could see it, but it's at 42%. It was at 100 when I left, but I mean, I think I've been riding for like an hour, I guess. I could have went. Yeah, I think I've been riding for an hour, so I would say that battery life is pretty decent. I'm glad it was fully charged when I left. So technically, if I still did the video every 4 days, and I get 3 videos out of today, that would be enough for the whole time I'm gone. Allegedly. They like to do a thing where they say you're going to come back this day and then say, oh, never mind, you're going to be here longer. So, I don't know for sure, but from what I'm told, 3 videos would technically be enough for while I'm gone, and then like the day I got back or the day after, I would have to make another one immediately to keep the every 4 day schedule. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep it consistent for you guys. That's something I used to be pretty bad at, like at the beginning of the channel. I wouldn't say at the beginning of the channel, because at the beginning of the channel I had no idea what I was doing. Those videos sucked. I would literally go on like a 20-minute ride. I wouldn't cut anything, and I would just put copyright music over it, which was stupid. But I was a 17-year-old at the time, so like I obviously wasn't very smart, and I'm still not, but I'm just saying I've at least learned from that. But like, since I started making motovlogs on the R6, I would say I've been, at the beginning I was inconsistent, because sometimes there would be days where I uploaded like every day for a little bit, and then I would upload for like 2 weeks. So now I'm trying to keep like a consistent upload schedule, which lately I've been doing a short every single day and a full video every 4, which just seemed to work out pretty well. It's just difficult right now with how much I have going on and everything. But I like to keep it consistent for you guys, so you can know when the next video is going to be, rather than wondering. So that's what I've been aiming for. I also think that's like a more professional thing to do, is to have a consistent upload schedule. But I would also understand not having one for like someone like Whistling Diesel, if you watch him at all. Obviously his videos are a little bit extreme, I guess, where like he puts a lot into them, so it's going to be hard to consistently upload videos that are that good and expensive. Like if he tried to upload, he's talked about it before, if he tried to upload all the time, his videos wouldn't be as good, because he can't put as much time and effort into them. So like people that make certain types of content, I would definitely understand not uploading consistently. But I just want to be someone that does do that. The only hard part for channels like mine is obviously weather. Right now I live in an area where I deal with winter and freezing and really cold temperatures, so like there's months out of the year where I can't ride and make videos. Well, I could. There's some videos I can make, but like not very many if I want to stick to my usual. You know, it would have to be like working on the bike, which I did. I made the video about like blacking out my bike, but you know, that didn't really do too well. So some channels it's hard to upload consistently, but I want to. I'll just keep this one for now. But it's just something I've been throwing up there, I guess. I was gonna end this video too at quick fill again, just for like the meme of it, just as like a little bit, I guess. But I have no reason to blow into quick fill again, so I'm not going to. Maybe I'll end it right outside of it as I'm passing by. I don't know. But I still have a little bit of riding around. I'm glad that I did get a nice day though today. Like, I have just enough time to record all these and maybe start editing before work, but the weather is being very cooperative right now, which is great, because I think tomorrow's supposed to be pretty crappy. So that's why I'm using today to get all these recorded, because I don't plan on being able to ride tomorrow, and that would have really sucked if today was bad too. Because I don't think I would have had any videos for when I'm like officially gone. Why do you have blue rims on it? Some people, I question their decisions. I mean, obviously you can do what you want, like, you do you, but sometimes I just wonder why people do it, you know? Oh! I was gonna quit riding, but I think I'm gonna go speeding now. Go for a little top speed test run maybe. See what number we can get. See if I can get the speedometer to hit 180. Maybe I will do that someday. I mean, I would not. I would do no such thing. Why has he got the dogs out? The dog had some large testicles. Not that I looked, but I did see them between his knees. Anyways. I am all over the place right now, mentally. What was I saying? I think I was saying that I wouldn't ever remember how to talk. Wouldn't ever go for a top speed on this, because that is dangerous and illegal, and I do nothing that is illegal. So maybe I'll have a friend of mine that has identical tattoos take the bike out for the top speed run. That's crazy, because we had a green arrow and we still ended up not moving at all. So I'm not quite sure the logistics of that and how that worked out, but from what I know, a green arrow means you can go. So I'm not sure why we ended up not going. That is the cop, yeah. Couldn't tell for sure, but it is. That's so crazy, dude. They're here to serve and protect us, but I can't tell where they are. I'm just kidding. Just a joke. Oh shit. I just realized I'm at 203 for temperature. And climbing. Okay. That's not good. Should be at that, like, sitting still maybe. But, well, I mean, I guess I've been stuck at red lights like this a lot, so kind of makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna head home because, well, one, because of the bike temp, and two, the, like I said in the first video, time restriction. But I do want to say, I'm gonna take, while I have a little bit of time, I'm gonna get soft here for a little bit and be genuine. I know in every single video, or at least I try to, I say thank you for watching and I appreciate it and thank you for subscribing. Like, I know I say that every single video, so it might not sound genuine, but like I'm being 100% serious and honest right here when I say, like, I truly do appreciate it. Like, you might not think that just watching a video means much to anybody, or that you're just doing it to kill time, or whatever it may be. But like, when I see that a video of mine got like, I don't care, like 25 views, some of them get like 50, some of them get 200, 300. One of them had over 700, and I was shocked. That stuff makes me like so happy to see, like, just that people are coming back consistently to like watch my videos. When you guys comment on it and say you enjoyed it, like stuff like that, I genuinely appreciate those things from you guys. So like I said, I say it every video, but I truly mean it. And I'm not saying that there's YouTubers that don't. I'm sure there are ones that like say that but don't care. But like, I genuinely mean it, that I do appreciate it, and it means a lot to me. I notice that kind of stuff. Like, there are certain people that comment consistently on the videos, and I really appreciate that. Others I just see every so often comment, and that's fine. Like, whatever you want to do. If you don't want to comment, there's quick fill, by the way, so I'm starting and ending a quick fill again. But yeah, like, I genuinely appreciate it. I appreciate all the support, all the new subscribers, like everybody on this channel. I really appreciate it, and it keeps me motivated to keep making videos. Otherwise I would just quit, which I don't really quit much, but like YouTube, it's definitely hard to stay motivated. So I would have quit if it wasn't for some of you guys. But like, yeah, I truly appreciate it, and I'm gonna wrap this one up. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys when I get back. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Later.